Deep in the African savanna, an elephant, unlike any other, stumbles into view. But this is no majestic sight. Its body is covered in something horrifying, a living hive of parasitic creatures. From a distance, it looks like disease. Up close, it looks like science fiction. What happens next sparks a full-scale emergency rescue, involving helicopters, biologists, and a race against time. Stay with us, because this is not just a rescue. It's a chilling warning from nature. Welcome to Rescue Roamers. The story begins with a team of rangers on patrol in the Zambezi wilderness, spotting an erratically moving elephant. It looked distressed, limping slightly, and separated from its herd. Through binoculars, the team sees the shocking truth. Its body is pockmarked with deep hexagonal holes. Insects buzz in and out of the craters like bees from a hive. Except these are no bees, they're something else entirely. A viral video quickly spreads online. Zombie elephant covered in parasites. The world watches in horror, but local experts know one thing: this creature needs immediate help, or it will die in agony. The local wildlife crisis center escalates the incident to a level 5, the highest alert for parasitic contamination. A specialized team is scrambled, a helicopter with tranquilizer capabilities, mobile biolabs, and experienced veterinarians. Dr. Lena Reyes, parasitologist, leads the team. If these parasites are truly hive-minded and capable of cross-species infection, we are facing a potential ecological catastrophe. As the helicopter lifts off, satellite footage tracks the elephant's migration path. The fear: it might infect other animals, or worse, stumble into human settlements. Researchers analyze the landscape. The pattern is disturbing. 2 hyenas and 1 zebra were found dead in nearby areas with similar hive growths. Using thermal imaging, they finally locate the elephant. It's visibly weaker, wobbling, and the hive is expanding. Parasites flutter around it in swarms, forming bizarre, defensive flight patterns. The team prepares a tranquilizer shot from the helicopter. On the first try, the dart bounces off due to hardened skin tissue around the hive. The elephant panics and charges into a thicket. They regroup for a second attempt. This time, the dart hits the neck. A few minutes later, the massive creature collapses. With the elephant down, the team suits up in biohazard gear. Approaching carefully, they inspect the infected areas. They are alive, moving. Inside each honeycomb-shaped pore, larvae writhe. Dr. Reyes inserts a microcamera. What they see inside is horrifying: a structured hive system under the skin, with tunnels and chambers, like a biological machine. Samples are taken. Lab analysis reveals foreign DNA sequences. These parasites don't match any known African species. They have genetic markers similar to lab-bred wasps, engineered for population control, but mutated far beyond anything science had created before. Suddenly, the wind picks up and disturbs the parasite swarm. The crew hears buzzing intensify, and dozens of insects swarm the helicopter crew. One of the rescuers is stunned, and immediately begins to show symptoms: hallucinations, dizziness, rapid pulse. They decide to airlift the elephant before the hive becomes uncontrollable. A sky harness is rigged, and the elephant is raised slowly. Parasites fly out in waves. Some are sucked into the rotors. The medic who was stung starts to convulse. Despite chaos in the air, the elephant is secured and flows 15 kilometers to a secure mobile facility. The mobile lab team gets to work. They isolate the larvae and subject them to radiation, acids, and sedatives. Most remain unaffected. A stunning discovery: the parasites have embedded antenna-like structures inside their hosts. They appear to be biologically networking, communicating, possibly to coordinate movement or attack response. The elephant, though sedated, is stabilized. Its breathing returns to normal. Dr. Reyes addresses the press. This parasite was likely released intentionally or mutated from a failed experiment. Its hive behavior suggests it could override a host's instincts, turning large mammals into mobile nests. The threat is no longer just to wildlife, it's a biological weapon. Interviews with the rescue team show the psychological cost. The pilot, visibly shaken, says, "I've airlifted rhinos, lions, even wounded cheetahs, but I've never seen an animal more invaded. Like its body wasn't its own anymore." The medicine stung by the parasite begins to recover after being quarantined and treated with high-dose antitoxins. However, lab scans show microscopic larvae still embedded under his skin. He'll remain under observation. The elephant, 2 is not entirely out of danger. The parasites are slowly being extracted, but full recovery may take months, if possible at all. This story may seem like science fiction, but it's real, unfolding, and terrifying. Nature is changing. Some of that change is natural. Some is not. Subscribe to Rescue Roamers to follow every twist of this chilling rescue saga. Like this video, share the truth, and remember, we're not just rescuing animals, sometimes we're rescuing the planet.